the fall. Open space.
I actually really love bamboo.
Malora's up. Eileen's up.
Love bamboo.
You painted all of these?
Yes, I painted.
And this is the bamboo forest, right?
Your English is really umai.
Thank you.
That's very good.
Before my English poor. This
Vertical.
the first one.
Yes. Tall. Oh, handsome.
No, handsome. Ah, the knuckle, yeah. He's got his map. He's got everywhere where people have chatted with him. He's from all over the place.
He wants you to mark your map.
Anata no namae wa nan desu ka?
Huh?
Anata no namae wa nan?
Kinji Nakamura.
Ah, Kenji Nakamura. Sugoi Kenji.
You.
Hi, right here. This one
What
right
is
here.
this? Another person came here.
Yes.
So
Get a dragonfly.
いいですか？
はい、いいですよ。
はい。
あー、すごいね。あなたはマジシャンでしょ。All right, let's do a group pic.
マジですか？
How does it feel, David and Thomas?
Feels good actually. Pretty cool.
Feels good.
Thomas, Melora.
I would do that
Look
on
at
a
me.
pond. That would be fun. David, how's your foot rub? This is better than having someone massage your toes.
No, it's not. But
It's not?
You ready?
Done.
You look great.
What's that? You're looking good. Oh, there's our rolled up chicken.
Well, it's not rolled up yet.
We're gonna roll that puppy up. Roll it and roll it.
There we go.
Okay, now you fish.
They want all the water in it though. Sifting nicely. Okay. Itadakimasu. Very good. So this is actually salt water. It's gonna go into here. That looks great. Let me see. Way to go. You're doing awesome. David, oh, really looks good there, dude. Eileen, awesome. Look at that nice little round ball. I think
I'll go first.
okay.
Looks beautiful.
David's holding it.
I'm gonna hold it with
And
this.
we're trying to cut it into pieces that will ultimately end up on our. So,
Makes it good.
there you go. Actually, we put quite a bit of extra in ours.
I was trying to dilute.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes, and then stir it gently.
Take it.
Yes.
that looks so good.
Yes. Good job. Good job.
Here, I'll take it.
That looks good.
Okay, I'll stir it.
Excellent, thank you.
Take a picture of you, Eileen.
That side.
Like this?
Yeah.
Good, Dave. Like that?
Perfect.
This is Thomas's demonstration on how to eat ramen soup. Perfect.
There's our bell.
Favorite ticket yet.
The goldfish.
Best ticket. They had the
Best
looking
ticket. Best ticket.
Show
What
it
else?
to 'em, show 'em.
So this is on the first floor. And this is what's on the second floor. And this is what's on the third floor. And of course what it looks like in the winter.
Thank you. Okay. Give the white one first.
Ready? 1, 2, you go.
Oh, that's
Okay, you go. Get any drink you want in the middle of the night, and we have no idea who maintains them, but they're everywhere.
You can ring this bell and then throw in your 2 yen.
This is the same spot that I flew my drone over. So again, we're right back in the same spot we started 2 days ago.